Grok AI, the Smart AI Assistant by xAI. Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring Grok AI, one of the most innovative AI assistants developed by xAI. Designed to provide intelligent, real-time, and conversational assistance, Grok combines advanced reasoning with access to up-to-date information, making it a powerful tool for learning, coding, research, and everyday productivity. Unlike many traditional AI assistants, Grok is built with a focus on answering questions naturally, solving complex problems, generating high-quality content, and helping users stay informed with current events. Whether you're a student, developer, researcher, entrepreneur, or content creator, Grok offers a fast and engaging AI experience. Main features 1. Advanced reasoning. Grok can solve complex problems, explain difficult concepts, and provide logical, step-by-step answers across science, mathematics, business, and technology. 2. Real-time information. One of Grok's biggest strengths is its ability to access and explain current information, helping users stay updated on news, trends, sports, finance, and technology. 3. Powerful coding assistant. Grok helps developers write code, debug errors, explain programming concepts, optimize existing code, and support multiple programming languages. 4. Image understanding. Grok can analyze images, identify objects, interpret charts, read text from images, and answer questions about visual content. 5. Content creation. From blog posts and emails to scripts, social media captions, and presentations, Grok helps generate high-quality written content quickly. 6. Natural conversation. Grok provides conversational responses that feel engaging and easy to understand, making interactions more natural and enjoyable. 7. Productivity assistance. Grok can summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, create plans, organize information, and assist with research and everyday work. 8. Multimodal AI. Grok can work with both text and images, allowing users to combine different types of information in a single conversation. Upcoming updates. 1. Smarter AI reasoning. Future versions are expected to provide even deeper reasoning, better analytical thinking, and more accurate responses to complex questions. 2. Faster performance. Upcoming improvements are likely to reduce response times while maintaining high-quality answers and smoother conversations. 3. Enhanced coding support. Future updates are expected to include stronger software development capabilities, improved debugging, and better code generation. 4. More powerful multimodal features. Grok is expected to improve its ability to understand images, documents, diagrams, and other visual content alongside text. 5. Better memory. Future versions may remember more context across longer conversations, making interactions more personalized and efficient. 6. Advanced AI agents. Grok is expected to gain more autonomous AI agent capabilities, helping users automate complex workflows and complete multi-step tasks. Conclusion. Grok AI is quickly becoming one of the most capable AI assistants available today. With advanced reasoning, real-time information, powerful coding support, image understanding, and natural conversations, it is helping users become more productive than ever. As xAI continues to improve Grok, future updates are expected to make it even smarter, faster, and more capable. Whether you're writing content, building software, conducting research, or simply exploring the latest AI technology, Grok is an AI assistant worth watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about the latest AI technologies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.